Hello guys, welcome to another lecture. In this one, we'll show you how to remove one or multiple elements from a list. Alright, if we wanna remove elements from a list, we can use the remove range, and remove at methods. Let's start with the remove method. This is the syntax of this method. This method allows us to remove the first occurrence of a specific element from a list. As you can see, it takes an item as a parameter and returns a Boolean value. If the item is found in the list, the method removes the item, and the remaining items are shifted to fill the gap. When the item is successfully removed, the method will return true as confirmation. Otherwise, if the item is not found in the list, it returns false. In this example, we have a list of strings and our goal is to remove the item banana from the list. As you can see, we use the remove method by passing the element we want to remove. It's important to note that only the first occurrence of the element is removed. So, in this case, only the first banana will be removed and the remove method returns true. Okay, if we change banana to apple, the method returns false because it cannot find this element in the list. Alright, moving on, we have the remove at method. This is the syntax of this method. The index represents the position of the element we want to remove. This method allows us to remove the element at a specific index from a list. Then shifts the remaining elements to fill the gap. For example, here, we use the remove at method and put 2 as the index number of the element we want to remove. In this case, the method will remove the element apple and shift the second banana to the left to fill the gap. Okay, let's talk about the remove range method. This is the syntax of this method. Here, the index represents the starting index of the range of elements to remove, and the count represents the number of elements to remove. The remove range method allows us to remove a range of elements from a list. Then shifts the remaining elements to fill the gap. In this example, if we want to remove the banana and cherry elements, we can use the remove range method. In order to do this, we can put 1 as the starting index and 2 as the count of elements we want to remove. Okay, done. See you soon.